Hello everyone, this is Senior Power Club. Today, I will guide you through a 3-step routine designed to help relieve eye fatigue and dryness using simple methods you can practice at home. If you often experience blurry vision, dryness, or a feeling of heaviness around the eyes, this routine may help improve comfort with regular practice. Step 1. Warm steam therapy, 5 minutes. Prepare a cup of warm water with gentle steam rising. Hold the cup 15 to 20 centimeters away from your eyes. Close your eyes and blink naturally, allowing the warm moisture to reach the eyelids for about 5 minutes. This helps to soften the tear film and may assist in relieving dryness and tension around the eyes. Step 2. Warm compress, 5 minutes. Boil an egg and let it cool for approximately 10 minutes. Place it inside a soft cloth or glove. Then gently place the warm compress over your closed eyelids for 5 minutes. This may help improve circulation around the eyes and relax the muscles that support blinking. A warm towel may be used as an alternative. Step 3. Posture and neck alignment. Good posture plays an important role in eye comfort. Gently pull your chin slightly inward and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. Next, stand with your back against a wall. Raise your arms into a W shape and slowly move them up and down for about 10 minutes. This helps release tension in the neck and shoulders, which can contribute to eye strain. Additionally, taking a 10-minute walk each day can help promote overall blood circulation. Self-check. You may be experiencing ocular dryness or strain if you notice light appearing hazy or scattered, frequent dryness or irritation, tears not forming easily, or a persistent feeling of visual fatigue. If this applies to you, consider practicing this routine consistently. Important caution. If the temperature feels too hot or causes discomfort, stop immediately. And if you experience sudden changes in vision, seek medical evaluation without delay. Summary. Warm steam therapy, 5 minutes. Warm compress, 5 minutes. Posture correction, 10 minutes. With consistency, many people notice greater eye comfort and reduced fatigue. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more health guidance.